Bonjour! Join me in my daily juggle between my Calvinist Dutch upbringing and my nowadays lifestyle in France, enjoying my French home and garden, keeping up with my Dutch roots, hopping from travel to home, from work to pastimes, and from family to friends. I am Joanna, and I'm a foreigner in France. Bonjour and welcome to, well, I still don't know what you're watching really. Well, today is one of those days. It's raining the whole day. The good thing is, my foot is getting better. The sad thing is, I can't go outside. So I guess I will have to find something to do inside the house. Bon, okay. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to get some fabric. Well, what do you all think? For the summer, but do no white, safe color. Now I'm not quite sure whether I'm a thrifty person or just lazy because I forgot to buy that special paper that you need to recreate a pattern. I taped all bits of pieces of paper together. Good idea, bad idea, it might not be very precise. Let me tell you something about myself. When I have an idea in my head, it needs to be done immediately and it has to be finished yesterday. I'm not a very patient person. That was the easy bit. Now we're getting at the fiddly bits. Now fiddly bits and me, we don't get along very well. We'll see where this will end. I learned how to use the sewing machine when I was very little.
When I was still a little girl.
My mother taught me how to use the sewing machine so that I could make clothes for my Barbies. I was a fan of Barbie. In those days, you had one, maybe two Barbies, and that was it. And I was very creative, like my mom, and so she taught me how to use the sewing machine. It was very easy to make things for the children when they were still little. I tried so many things. Some of them worked out, some of them were useless. It's a pity I didn't keep everything I made in the last couple of 45 years. Some things I threw away, some things I kept. I should have a look in the Barbie basket, in the girls' old bedroom. But I can show you some of the stuff I made for the last, say, 10 years. Come along, I'll show you. Why are there no pants? Why are there no trousers? Why are there no jackets? Why are there no vests? Well, that's way too difficult for me. The only thing left to do is sewing the buttons on. Now I must confess that I am the queen of not following the recipe. If I don't have the right materials at home, if I don't like the materials they're using, if I am too lazy to go out to buy the materials, I didn't buy buttons. It needed 12 buttons. I have so many buttons at home. Loads that come from my mother, and I wouldn't be surprised if the buttons from my mother came from her mother or even her grandmother. So I found 12 buttons. They look a bit alike, but they're different, and it adds to the charm of the dress. Now I tried the dress before it was ready, and I thought it was a little bit too short. I've got chubby, but not in a cute way, legs, and I don't want to show them too much, so I just added 3-4 centimeters. Did you know that the inventor of the 4-hole button was a Frenchman? Here in the city there's a square named after him, Alexandre Massé. Our claim to fame